Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off screen rotation in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using S26 Ultra and you want to turn on or off screen rotation, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to scroll down from your control center or your quick settings, and here you must see portrait option. If you can't find this option here, so just click on this edit or the pencil icon here. Just click on add a control, and you have to look for that option here. So let's say I'm going to remove it first. Once you have removed, you have to click on this add a control and just look for auto rotate option here. Just press on it and it will be added to your home screen. You can also add it here, or you can also add it in this center. So keep a long press on it and just move it up and release it in this section. Now once you have done, once you get this feature here, you just have to click on it and it will be set to auto rotate, or if you click on it again, it will be disable auto rotate and will be fixed on portrait or lock screen. So in this way, you can easily turn on or off screen rotate in your S26 Ultra. Thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.